This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Binance Dark Mode updated. Open the Binance app or website and sign in. From your profile, go to Settings, then Theme or Display. Choose Dark to enable low-light colors across all screens. If you want automatic switching, enable System Theme or Night Schedule where available. Restart the app if colors do not update immediately, and enjoy reduced glare for late-night trading. Open Binance on desktop and log in with your credentials. Click the profile icon at top right, select Settings, then Display or Theme. Choose Dark to apply the theme across charts, order books, and account pages. For browser-only dark mode, use the built-in browser theme or a trusted dark mode extension. Clear cache if styles look off, and refresh the page to confirm the theme persists across sessions and subpages. On mobile, open the Binance app and confirm you are logged in. Tap the profile or account icon, then Settings, then Theme or Display. Select Dark to switch the app to a darker palette that reduces eye strain. You can toggle system theme to follow your phone settings or schedule night mode if available. Update the app if theme options are missing, and restart the app after changing the setting to ensure full coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.